Park Supplies and Playgrounds are very excited to showcase this simple, accessible, low maintenance and high play value playground for Park Island Napier. At first sight, the children will be invited into this wonderful play space through colour and imagination. The Whare Tower offers multiple climbing activities for the children of all ages to develop and grow with the structure. At the top of the 2.1 metre platform is a huge whare-style roof to protect the children from the weather elements as they slide down the fireman's pole or large green tube slide for an exciting exit back to the safety surface below. Beneath the tower is a kiwi shop window where children can use their imaginative skills and socialise. Next to the tower stands our impressive New Zealand-made timber frame swing featuring an infant seat, belt seat, and the inclusive lily pad basket swing. On the other side of the playground, we have featured the mini dome spinner that has a wide base where children can sit or stand as they spin round and round with their friends. The wheelchair trampoline has pride of place and is user-friendly for many abilities to socialise and bounce while building valuable coordination skills. All this play value sits on compliant, hard-wearing and inclusive surfacing, which is made up of playground turf and wet pour rubber scuff pads in the hardware areas. We hope this design ticks many boxes for the community with the New Zealand-made equipment, inclusivity and imaginative play.